Researchers are reporting some intriguing new findings in the fight against melanoma, the deadly skin cancer that's on the rise in this country. It's estimated there's going to be 62,000 new cases this year and more than 8,000 deaths. But now a study out this evening in the New England Journal of Medicine is offering some reason for cautious optimism. Here's John McKenzie.
Melanoma, typically caused by too much sun exposure, starts out looking so harmless. A tiny mole that within months begins growing relentlessly and under the skin, spreading cancer cells throughout the body. Which is why the study out this evening is so encouraging to melanoma patients like 57-year-old Gardner Vintage.
This is absolutely the most encouraging, the most optimistic that we've been able to be.
Researchers took blood from a melanoma patient who was near death, and from that blood extracted a type of cell that's actually programmed by the body to attack cancer.
It's targeted to the tumor cells and not to normal cells.
The researchers even isolated which of those cancer-fighting cells were most aggressive against the patient's own melanoma, and then grew a vast new army of them, 5 billion cells. Finally, the scientists injected those cancer-fighting cells back into the patient. The results were stunning. Before treatment, you can see the cancer right here in the patient's lymph node. Just 2 months after treatment, the cancer is gone, not a trace. 2 years later, and still no sign of cancer anywhere in his body.
The results of this study are truly dramatic. This is the first time that we've ever seen a melanoma melt away like this in somebody with advanced disease.
This was just one melanoma patient. The treatment must now be tested on many more. But the potential of this approach could be much broader.
The use of these cancer-fighting cells can also be used to treat other types of cancer, like breast cancer or prostate cancer or lung cancer.
But when it comes to advanced skin cancer, scientists tonight are off to a promising start. John McKenzie, ABC News, New York.
A number of sites are conducting clinical trials on the experimental treatment mentioned in John's report, and you can find links to those trials at our website, abcnews.com.